In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subjects on Google Calendar. When we say subjects here, we're talking about calendar entries like classes, meetings, or reminders, what Google Calendar calls events. I'll walk you through removing a single event and what to do when it's part of a repeating series, so you can keep your schedule clean and accurate. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the right account. Once your calendar is visible, locate the event you want to remove. Click it once to open the Quick Details pop-up. This small window shows the title, date and time, and any other key information. In this pop-up, look for the trash can icon, which is the delete button. Clicking that icon removes the event. If it's just a one-time entry, that's all you need. Your calendar will update right away. If the event is part of a recurring series, clicking the trash can brings up a choice. You'll be prompted to decide whether you want to delete only this event, this and following events, or all events in the series. Here's how to think about those options. Choose this event if you only want to remove just the one instance you clicked. Maybe a single class got canceled, but the rest of the semester stays. Choose this and following events. If you want to remove the selected instance and everything after it, this is handy when a recurring subject is changing from this week forward. Finally, choose all events in the series if you're retiring the subject altogether and want the entire series gone, including past and future entries. After you pick the option that fits your situation, confirm by clicking OK. Your calendar will update, and the event or series you selected will be removed. If the event included guests, remember that deleting it will cancel the meeting for them as well, and they may receive a cancellation notice. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the trash can, you may be looking at a calendar you don't have permission to edit, like a read-only or shared calendar. Also, be sure you're selecting the correct occurrence in a series before confirming, especially when choosing this and following, as it changes everything from that point onward. That's it. Open your calendar, click the event, hit the trash can, choose how broadly you want to delete, and confirm. With these steps, you can confidently remove single events or entire recurring subjects and keep your schedule tidy.